Welcome students, let's continue with the maximum power transfer theorem. In the last class we have already studied the statement and why maximum power transfer should be essential and all, right? And how maximum power will be transferred, when maximum power will be transferred to the load. When Thevenin's resistance, the load resistance will be equal to Thevenin's resistance, the maximum power will be transferred. Once the circuit will be working properly only when maximum power will be transferred, right? That means I have already given an example of communication system and studied why maximum power is transferred. Now let's solve some problems on maximum power transfer theorem. In maximum power transfer theorem, the problems will be like, find the value of RL, that means we need to find the value of load resistor. That means what will be the value of load resistor for the maximum power to be transferred. That means maximum power to be transferred, in the sense the condition is load resistance must be equal to RL is equal to RTH. That means load resistance is equal to Thevenin's resistance of the circuit, right? So here in this problem, find the value of the RL for the maximum power to be transferred and calculate the maximum power transferred to the load. That means what they are asking is, what should be the value of load resistor for maximum power to be transferred to the load. That means we have to find out the Thevenin's resistance of the circuit, that will be the value of RL. Okay, and the next one they have asked is, calculate the maximum power transfer to the load. That means when RL is equal to RTH, what will be the value of power? That will be the maximum power. What will be that power? That we have to calculate. Okay. So whenever you will get a maximum power transfer theorem problem, first you have to find out RTH. To find RTH, solution will be, to find RTH you have to write the circuit. For finding RTH you have to short circuit the given voltage source and RL should be removed, and you have to make these as open terminals. Calculate RTH by looking at this end. Okay, what will be the values of these resistors? 1 kilo ohm, and this is also 1 kilo ohm, and this is also 1 kilo ohm, and this is 2 kilo ohm. So to find RTH is equal to, these two resistors are in series, so 1 kilo plus 1 kilo, that is parallel to 2 kilo, right, plus 1 kilo, right. So here 1 kilo parallel to 1 kilo plus 1 kilo, that will be equal to 2 kilo, parallel to 2 kilo it will be, plus 1 kilo plus 1 kilo. What will be the value of this? 2 kilo and 2 kilo, same value of resistances are parallel, in the sense you will get 1 kilo ohm. So RTH value will be 3 kilo ohm. What will be the value of RTH? 3 kilo ohm. Therefore, for the maximum power to be transferred, when RL is equal to RTH, that is equal to 3 kilo ohm. Okay. For this we have found the value of RL. To this we have completed. Next one they have asked is, calculate the maximum power. So what is the formula for maximum power to be calculated? PL maximum is equal to VTH square divided by 4 RTH, right. For that we have to find out the VTH. To find VTH, We have to draw the circuit. 8 volt source is there. Here 1 kilo ohm resistor. Also here also 1 kilo ohm resistor is connected. And here 2 kilo ohm resistance. And here again 1 kilo ohm resistor. That doesn't matter. These two resistors do not matter because here it is open circuited. This open terminal voltage we have to find out, that is the value of VTH. So this voltage is nothing but the voltage across the 2 kilo ohm resistor, because 1 kilo ohm, these two 1 kilo ohm resistors, the current will not flow across these two resistors because this is open circuited in the next branch. Okay. So VTH will be equal to V voltage across 2 kilo ohm resistor. So this will be a single loop network. So voltage divider, single loop series network connected to a 8 volt source. So voltage will be divided across these resistors. So 8 into 2 kilo divided by sum of the resistors connected in series, 2 kilo plus 1 kilo plus 1 kilo, 16 kilo divided by 4 kilo, you will get 4 volt is the value of VTH. Okay. Now we have got the value of VTH and also RTH. We have to find out the value of PL maximum. PL maximum. The formula for PL maximum is equal to VTH square, that is VTH is 4 square divided by 4 into RTH is 3 kilo, 16 divided by 4 into 3 kilo, 4 by 3 milliwatt is the maximum power, or you can also use the calculator and simplify it. 1.33 milliwatt power will be the power transferred to the, that will be the maximum power that can be transferred to the load in this circuit. Okay. Take down the next problem. The exercise problems we have. That first one is, what should be the value of load resistance to abstract maximum power from the 12 volt battery is connected. $19K and $9K are the two resistors used here. We have to calculate the value of load resistor. Using this circuit, we have to find out the Thevenin's resistance of the circuit and also find out the power, maximum power transferred to the load. The same way, to find RTH, please take a book and pen, solve the problems with me. To find RTH, $19K is parallel with 9K. So to find RTH is equal to 19K parallel to 9K, that will be 19K into 9K divided by 28 kilo. RTH is equal to, calculate that, what you will get, 6.1 kilo ohm is the value of RTH. Calculate and write the answer. So what will be the value of RL? RL should be equal to 6.1 kilo ohm. Then therefore you can write RL is equal to RTH, that is equal to 6.1 kilo ohm. Okay. So RL will be 6.1. Now we have to calculate the power delivered to the load. For that we need to find out the VTH. To find VTH, volt battery should be there, 9 kilo and 19K is connected. The voltage across 19 kilo ohm resistor is nothing but VTH. So VTH is equal to 12 into 19 kilo divided by 28 kilo. Calculate it, you will get 8.13 volt. 8.13 volt is the VTH. Okay, now put the formula for power, maximum power. PL maximum is equal to VTH square divided by 4 RTH. VTH is 8.13 whole square divided by 4 into RTH is 6.1 kilo ohm. Calculate PL maximum value using calculator. How much you will get? It will be around 2.69 or 2.7 milliwatt. You have to put the unit. Don't forget to put the unit for even for resistance. After calculating resistance, RTH you have to put ohm or kilo ohm, whatever it is there. If you put only 6.1 ohm, you will lose mark because it is 6.1 kilo ohm. Kilo has a value, right? Kilo is not a unit, kilo has a value. So 6.1 kilo you have to write. If you write 6.1 kilo, then also you will lose mark. If you write 6.1 ohm, then also you will lose mark. So be perfect while writing the value of RL or RTH final value. You have to put the unit. Here also don't forget to put the unit. 8.13. If you write only simply 8.13, you will lose 1 mark for that. Okay. The next problem is also exercise problem. Again a 10 volt 16 volt battery is connected. 2 and 3 ohm resistors are in series are connected in the circuit. 16 volt battery is connected. Three and 6 ohm, 3 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Calculate the RTH first. Calculate the value to find RTH. Solution. Do it yourself and verify the answer with me. To find RTH, write the circuit. Writing the circuit for each and every step is essential. For finding RTH, for finding VTH, you have to write the circuit even in Thevenin's theorem as well as in maximum power transfer theorem. Also in superposition theorem, the related circuit should be written, otherwise you will not get full 5 marks for the problem. These problems will be asked for 5 marks. Six ohm, 3 ohm, and 2 ohm resistors are connected. By looking at this end, these two are in parallel. So RTH is equal to 6 parallel to 3 plus 2 ohm. 2 plus 2, it is 4 ohm is the value of RTH. Okay. To find VTH, So in maximum power transfer theorem, therefore RL is equal to RTH is equal to 4 ohm you have to write, because they have asked us to find out the value of RL. To find VTH, draw the circuit. 16 volt battery is connected, 6 ohm, 3 ohm resistor, the open terminal voltage, that will be the VTH. This voltage is nothing but again voltage across 3 ohm. Therefore VTH is equal to V suffix 3 ohm is equal to 16 into 3 divided by 9. VTH is equal to 16 by 3, 5.33 volt is the value of VTH. Okay, to find out PL value, PL maximum is equal to VTH square divided by 4 into RTH, 5.33 whole square divided by 4 into RTH. RTH is the 4 ohm. So calculate it. You will get value of PL maximum is equal to, what will be the value of voltage? That will be 1.77 watt. Calculate using calculator and put the value, and don't forget to put the unit for all the values, even for the resistance as well as power, you have to put the units. Don't neglect the circuits. Don't be lazy to write the circuits, because you will lose mark. Okay, and I have collected some question paper problems. (36 volt, 3 ohm, 6 ohm, 4 ohm, and we need to find out the value of RL in this circuit. To find RL, the solution again, to find RTH. RTH is equal to, for that you have to draw the circuit. Calculate the value of RTH. It's 3 ohm. It's 4 ohm and 6 ohm. RTH is equal to 3 parallel to 6 plus 4, it is 6 ohm. 3 parallel to 6, if you calculate you will get 2 ohm. 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. Then RTH is equal to, therefore RL is equal to RTH is equal to 6 ohm. So next is to find VTH. Draw the circuit. To find VTH, (36 volt is the voltage source, 3 ohm, and here it is 6 ohm. Open terminal voltage VTH, that is equal to VTH is equal to 36. That's the voltage across 6 ohm. 36 into 6 divided by 9, so it will be VTH is equal to 24 volt. Next, to find PL maximum is equal to VTH square divided by 4 into RTH. VTH square, that is 24 square, or you can also write 24 into 24 divided by 4 into RTH value is 6 ohm. 6 4s are 4 6s are. Again it is PL maximum is equal to 24 watt, right? These are the problems will be asked in maximum power transfer theorem. In the same way, in these problems they may only ask to find out the value of RL, that is for either 2 or 3 marks problem that will be. If they ask for power also, power calculations means both will include completely 5 marks problems. Okay. In the last problem, yes, this is of a similar one. So I think you people can do this problem on your own. So this is the, here also you need to find out the value of RL. RL value will be RTH again, and find out the VTH and calculate the maximum power delivered to the load. Okay, the answers for this, please do this problem and give me the answers by today evening. If I will not get the answers from you people, I will give a call for you. Okay, I don't think all are doing the problems on your own. See, today along with this problem we will complete the network theorems, right? We have already solved some problems, right? In Thevenin superposition theorem somewhere around 8 or 9 problems we have solved. Also in Thevenin's theorem 8 or 9 problems we have solved. Here also sufficient problems we have solved. I have collected all the question paper problems, everything. Okay, and in the next class we are going to start the new topic, that is AC principles. This completes the network theorems along with this problem. I want you people to be maintained with a notebook which is having all the problems, because these problems are very important. Starting from the Kirchhoff's laws, all will be asked for 5 marks. In the question paper there will be a separate section of problems, 5 marks. Problems of 5 problems will be asked, only 3 problems you have to do it. In that, this type of problem is one of from principles of electricity, one problem will be asked. Okay. So if you have not done the problems till now, please do it. Collect all the problems, see all the videos, collect all the problems and maintain a notebook for the problems. Okay. Any doubts, anytime, I am here to solve your doubts. Please text me, and for this problem I need the answer by evening. Okay. This completes today's class. Thank you very much. Expecting the answers of the problems from you people. Thank you.